Hello everyone, Enormous Vids back with another video guys, and in today's video I will be showing you how to change your keyboard theme on Android guys. So guys, this step is super duper easy guys. All you have to do, well guys, before we get started with the video, I just want to hope that you have your water guys, because it's actually like 88 degrees today and it's gonna be very hot guys. That's why I got my windows open, my AC on, my fan guys, and everything guys. So guys, yeah, so it's August, and guys, if you guys didn't know, August is like really hot guys, the hottest month of the summer, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's very hot guys. So I hope you guys have your water bottles. But anyways guys, I'm not sure when I posted my last video, but I think that I'm not sure guys. Hold on guys, my channel is right here, and I'm not sure when I posted my last video guys. Yeah guys, my last video was 3 days ago guys. And I only have let me go to my about. I only have like 24 views total guys. So I have 11 views on my first video and 8 views on my latest video guys. So guys, with all that being said, let's begin guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you really quick guys. You guys can see if I do this, I have a keyboard installed already guys. You guys can see the app is like, hold on guys, I'm trying to grab it. Oh my gosh, no. I'm trying to grab it guys. You can see the app is right here. So guys, first thing you should do, well, I'm not going to tell you guys, this is very easy steps in here. Just go into Play Store guys, that's very easy. Oh, you guys probably know that already. And then you guys probably won't know this part guys, or some of you might. But just search up keyboard guys. Search up keyboard themes guys. Not just keyboard, hold on guys. Not just keyboard guys, keyboard theme. And when you see this like app thingy right here, guys, I'm gonna hold on it. It's right here guys. This keyboard themes for Android app right here guys. Guys, this is the correct app that you will want guys. But instead of just downloading it and just picking a keyboard from the app guys, you can also go to like the personal website, whatever that made it guys, Launcher 2019 themes and apps on Android guys. Just press on the green, I guess, link right here, I guess guys. Just press that and you will be greeted with a ton of keyboards guys. This is the one I already have installed guys, but there is a lot guys, and for many more keyboards you just want to install the app guys. There's digital keyboard, luminous keyboard, blood keyboard, which is a keyboard I find creepy, but there's tons and loads and bunches of keyboards guys. My favorite one so far, I'm not sure which one my favorite one is, but guys, my favorite one has to be the gold one, guys. I'm not sure where it's at. There's also themes and wallpapers as well, guys. Not just keyboards, but also keyboards. A lot of keyboards as well, guys. But guys, I'm gonna download the app so you can see like a ton of more keyboards. Guys, I'm just gonna press install, guys, and just press, if this shows up, just press this green thing right here, guys. I don't know what that's about, but guys, yeah. So we're just gonna wait guys. I don't have to speed this up or anything because like it goes really fast. Alright guys, so when it finishes installing, I'm just gonna just press open guys. And now guys, just press I agree. Activate keyboard themes for Android, which is this right here. Then press on this part, just press OK guys. And wait, yeah. And now, guys, this is where all of your like original keyboards are at. Just like slide that across right here. This message will show up, but just press OK. And press OK on this one too. And now, guys want to select keyboard themes for Android and just press keyboard themes for Android that you just saw. And now the keyboard will start to be activating. And press OK. And guys, this one right here is not the one that you want, guys. Well, if you do want it, I don't know, but guys, there are a lot of keyboards, guys. You can also make your own as well, guys. Hold on, there is a way to make your own keyboard, but guys, oh yeah, custom themes plus edit. You guys can see this is your phone, your original keyboard right here. You can just edit this up, change the background color. And I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, that's white, guys. Background image, font color, key shape. And yeah, guys. You can also change the key shape, guys. Yeah, guys. But we're not on that right now. We're going to be on to the themes, guys. There is a lot of themes, guys. A ton and ton of themes. Guys, my favorite one, and I'm not sure what's my favorite yet. But we're going to be for today. We're going to be getting the I'm gonna say hot. No, not my themes. Okay. Don't rate it, guys. Just say not now. Just like do the opposite of what I just did. But for this one, we're going to be getting guys. I'm not sure which one to get. Going to be getting the digital keyboard, guys. Well, no, guys. That's actually the kind of one similar to the fast typing. So we're going to get, I'm not sure, guys. The Army keyboard, because this one looks perfect. This one looks good, guys. So we're going to download that one. The reason I didn't install the, which one is it called? The digital keyboard, guys, because, like, one time when I tried to, download it, install the keyboard theme, it said that I had needed the fast typing keyboard for it, guys, which is the keyboard. No, guys, not the fast typing keyboard that I had, guys. This is some other theme, guys, right here that I got. I don't know what theme that is, but we're going to be going with the Army theme, guys, because this is the one I want for the video. And you have to wait. Now just press apply theme, which is like the button you saw. And now the theme should be applied, guys. I'm just gonna test it out right now. And there you go, guys. The theme is installed, guys. This is actually kind of a big keyboard as well, guys. This type of keyboard is for people with big fingers, guys. I don't really have big fingers, but I guess this keyboard kind of makes it easier to type, I guess. But guys, anyways, I'm going to be ending this video right here, guys. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, of course, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, guys, to be notified for every video, guys. And with all that being said, peace out.